Hi guys, Abhishek here. Welcome back to Engulfing Bull. Today I'm going to talk about two stocks, two important gaps. Why are we monitoring them, and what is the long-term prospect of the entire stock? So the first stock that we have is Z, and if you look here, if I'm going to zoom out a wee bit. This is the monthly chart of Z Entertainment. So you see resistance breakout, came back to test this, and now here we have a very nice setup where we can draw a Fibonacci because it seems like a 0, 1, 2 here. Obviously, if you want to learn these, please do your own analysis. Watch our videos on Fibonacci's earlier and see how they work. Now the first target comes here is these levels 161.8 and maybe more if you can trail it and stuff. So to confirm this entry, we're gonna look at the smaller time frame like a weekly chart. All right, again, let me zoom out. Weekly chart, clearly you can see something's happened here. There was a neckline here which was a minor resistance, short-term resistance, which was broken in September. All right, and now obviously there is a consolidation or a corrective move, which is basically a sideways move before something else happens. All right, so let's go back to a daily chart and see how this is gonna go up. Now again, daily chart, you can see there was a minor resistance here which was broken by a huge gap up, then broken by a big white candle here, corrected till this previous resistance level here, the dotted line you can see here, right? Resistance level, and it corrected till here, and then again a gap up. Obviously there is more to this, more to just classical charting to this stock. So if you are following any system, please do your own analysis and figure out if this works or if this falls under your buying category or not. Obviously it kind of helps us to identify these gaps. Now there's a gap up here. Obviously prices have kind of are ready to test these gaps, which again becomes a very important zone for us to look for a re-entry opportunity. So look for I think these levels here. If I can draw like these levels here, this is where I'm looking for a re-entry opportunity. If at the time when it comes and tests, I see there's a rejection here at the gap, then yes, this level becomes a very good re-entry opportunity on the upside. So what I'm trying to say is probably something like this is possible or higher, or it can start from here, whatever. Use your analysis, and this is one of the stock that I thought has a very important gap that needs to be addressed. Okay, the next stock that we have is EXIDE. All right, I made a video on this before as well, but I'm gonna start from the monthly chart and then we're gonna talk through. So obviously monthly chart fell down, came resistance. Now this is like a corrective move that is happening. All right, so you can see a shoulder, a head, and then probably another shoulder here that is in the making. All right, a very good setup. Again, if I draw a retracement, a Fibonacci retracement here, okay, this falls in a very good category, and then you can expect a decent target here as well. Okay, of like previous highs, maybe. All right, so let's look at a weekly chart to do like a deeper analysis of this stock. So you can see here, right, a resistance breakout, support, change in polarity level here, went up, created a shoulder, head, and a shoulder. So let's do a target analysis for this. So if that was your target, if you draw this, see, target achieved, right? So that is done and dusted. Now you have a shoulder, a head, and then another shoulder in the making. There is a correction in a three-wave format, and hopefully if next week starts in a very good fashion, this could be something like this, something like this. I think that's the kind of formation I can see here, which is building up. All right, so now let's go to the daily chart and do an analysis again. On the daily chart, you can see yeah, a nice level which becomes very important. The resistance fell, gap up, touched the resistance, and now it is testing the gap. Now again, as I said, if there is a gap up from here, like a gap up, there is a possibility of a breakout, CIP, and then go back up again, right? So yes, maybe a re-entry opportunity is in the cards, but obviously you need more confirmations. So put it on your system, whatever you're following. If you're not following, please do learn a system, follow a system when you're trading, and if it fits in your system as well, then do give us a shout. Have a look at this and see how you feel about this. Very important to know how gaps work. come to us if you don't know how to use a system. We're there for you. We'll teach you that. If you want me to make any other video on any other stock, please put it in the comment box and we'll do the needful. Till then, till next week, take care, have a great weekend, happy pujas, and enjoy yourself. Stay safe. Bye bye.